Well, my friends, for those of you who follow me along on my journey around the world, we're currently at JIMTOF, and a lot of people ask me, how do you maintain your energy? How do you maintain your health? How do you take care of yourself? And yes, I use a lot of herbalism to do that, but today we're talking about self-maintenance that I wish I had on this Sodick machine right here. Yes, would you believe that this machine takes care of itself? Preventive maintenance? And I have my buddy right here right now to talk about how this actually works. On top of that, we're actually taking a magnet and moving some parts from the machine that are unnecessary scrap parts. You can't do that anywhere at any time. Can we dive into the details of what I just described?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Manabu. Okay. I do appreciate that. Okay. So let's first start with the self-maintenance. Now, when I think about self-maintenance, how does that actually work?
So this is a machine called L800G, which we sell quite a lot today in Europe as well, like aerospace defense, automotive, extrusion dies, and many, many more. So this machine, it has 3 different options on the stand. One is this one. It's called a slug removal function. So during the cutting process, you want to make some dies with multiple locations. It automatically picks up the slug after the first cut and then drops it to the corner here. And thus you can maintain the cutting without any intervening, stopping the machine or just run the machine over the weekend.
And is that normally how it works in the traditional EDM style? Is you have to stop the machine, the slug gets in the way? How does it normally work?
Yeah, well, in that case, normally you have to stop the machine every time to move the slug.
That sounds like a pain.
Yeah, and if you want to run through the weekend, somebody has to come back to the factory every 3 hours and attend the, switch off the machine and remove the slug.
And so with EDM being a set it and forget it kind of a machine, that doesn't sound like automation at all, my friend.
No, really. So that's why we come up with this option.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. It seems to me like we would have thought of this decades and decades ago, but I'm happy you have it now. Now let's dive in, let's unwrap the box, that pretty bowed box that you have about maintenance, that self-maintenance. What does that actually mean?
So there's another option here, which is a brand new option. We just released last week or this week at the show. That's called ACPC. That's the automatic conductivity piece shifter. So every several hundred hours, you have to move the conductivity piece to operate the cutting to get the best results. But if you have a robot on the machine, you can't do that. But with this option, machine just automatically shift the position of a conductivity piece, and then thus another automation is realized here.
Much like the plug situation that we just described, where you have to come in and take it and remove it, and we think of this as a set it and forget it machine, is that also traditionally downtime, that we have to do that maintenance in order to keep the machine going?
Yes,
that
that's
now
right.
Is preventive maintenance to keep it running all the time?
Yes, that's right.
You make this sound too easy.
I hope so.
Well, I guess that's what Sodick does, right? You say, I mean, that's what we do here at Sodick, is make things easy for you. But and this is one of the few machines, as we're here at JIMTOF, talking about the future of what's possible and maybe not even going to be released into other parts of the world until later. This is the one machine that people can have right now, though, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right.
Huh. Well,
and it's also available on the 400 and 600 size of the machine.
Can you quickly describe the number difference? Is it just different size models? Is that what that stands for?
Yeah, so 800 size is 800 by 600 by 500 on Z. Also, you can have a Z800 options as well. And 400 size is 400 by 300 on XY. And 600 is 600 by 400.
So pretty much what you're describing to me, to bring this all full circle and summarize what's going on, is I have the same precision, reliability, accuracy, tradition of Sodick, everything that we've known it to be. But now even those small headaches, which can sometimes be big headaches, of the plugs, of the maintenance, you're relieving us of that stress as well now, aren't you?
Yes, but that's what we try to do. And we just have to keep improving our machines to make the customer happy.
Well, you've made me happy today. I'm sure you're making them happy today. Can I just pick your brain one more time? And you may not know this answer. I don't know this answer. But the great thing about Sodick is you guys make things so that people can fill the void in their lives and make things successful. What do you think is going to be the evolution and the next step of this machine as we're constantly making it better? What's JIMTOF 2 years, 4 years from now going to make this machine look like?
Well, maybe this is yesterday's news. Maybe we should have something better, even better, I hope.
I believe that to be true. Thank you all for watching. If you have the headaches that we've talked about today, I mean, we all do, right? It's normal in the world of EDM. Well, Sodick is solving your problems. There's a reason why when you partner with Sodick, they care about you. Customers are the most important, and they're constantly forward thinking to make sure that your problems of tomorrow are solved today. Thank you all for watching. This is my buddy right here. We've had a good time today, haven't we?
Thanks, Tony. Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again soon.
See ya.